Madan, you are seeing very simple. This is a first video of a playlist. In this series of video, we are going to see or solve many simple problems. Yeah. Okay, let's start today's problem. Today's problem is Python program to find the area of triangle, and we know that the formula for semi-perimeter is S equal to let's assume S for a semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter equal to S. Okay, S equal to A plus B plus C and divided by 2. We need to divide it wholly by 2, and next we are going to know we are going to find out the area, so that we found out semi-perimeter. We need to substitute semi-perimeter in area, and the formula of area is given. See, this is the formula of area. Let's we start our program, and now we need to get input from uh, what input from the user, so that we are going to assign three, cause three triangle consists three sides. Okay, A equal to input, and enter A side, A side value. Okay, and next B equal to same as the sorry, input, enter B side, and C equal to enter C side. We got the three sides, but whether the inputs are float, so that we need to give float. That the case is a float, so that we are going to give float. Okay, and next we know the perimeter, semi-perimeter formula. Uh, just S equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Okay, next leave some space for identification. Okay, and area equal to, we know the formula of the area, bracket semi perimeter multiply into bracket S minus A bracket close bracket multiply into open bracket S minus B close bracket and multiply into open bracket and close bracket, and S minus minus c, and then we need to square it, square root of, whole square root of, so that we need to give square root of 0.5. I think you understand the formula, and we need to get answer. That's it, the final step. This is the final step. Print, sorry, print the area of the, we are going to get a uh, after the whole number, two float numbers are we are going to get, so that we need to assign before percentage of 0.2 float. It gives the after the point we can get a two float number. We can give first p1 as the first percentage of area. That's it. Mm, this is the program. Let's see the output. Let's run the program. Yeah, A side. Example, we are going to give 5, B side, and 6, and 7. See, what's the error? We are given the capital C. Yeah, now it will run. Yes, yeah. We need to correct every errors. See here, the answer is clear. Thank you. This is the simplest program series, and day by day we are going to improve our programming skills, and we are going to do more harder programs and more patterns. We are going to do many programs. Okay, subscribe and watch the series and continue with me, and do it yourself and improve yourself. Thank you.